This is what we get on the National Hurricane Center today. It never does this. Anyway, what I'm looking at in between all this distortion is this is hurricane, or this is tropical storm Chantal, and you can see on the leading edge there that there's some really massive exploding clouds on the leading edge of the storm. Okay, now this is supposed to be a tropical storm, but do you see any circulation? Do you see any kind of center? There is none. This is a fake storm. Okay, now let's move away from there for a second. Let's go over into the Bahamas. Now look at here. Well, this is an area that was circulating like crazy. It's moved over into the Bahamas, and they're using a different type of effect to kill the clouds there. Okay, over on Chantal, they're enhancing it, but here they're stopping it from becoming a storm. I apologize for whoever it is that wants to interrupt this signal, because normally you could see this very clear. You can see the circulation there. That's a real storm. Okay, and they're killing it. Okay, if we could see it more clearly, you could see that they're de-enhancing this storm, whatever that is. Anyway, you can see this has banding, has circulation, and they're killing it because they got another storm that they want you to see, and that's the one coming in over the Virgin Islands, and that has zero circulation, but they're calling it a tropical cyclone. Yeah, sure. Anyway, you've seen my other videos, and it never looks like this crap with all this interference. Just documenting that for my buddy Raphael. And let's get the day on this. Okay, July 10th. There you go. Okay, here you can see this image. It may have cleared up on the other part of the site too, but here I'm going to show you the scary image that they show on TV all the time. Yeah, they're going to show you, oh, look at this. Look at all that energy right there in that storm. Oh, it's going to be a big storm. Look at that. Okay, that's Chantal. Okay, and they're enhancing it right there. And just check the rest of the blob. There's no circulation at all. Let's see, July 10th. Okay, and there it is. Do you see any banding? Do you see any funny little center with circulation around it? I don't think so. All right, let's go back over here to the Bahamas. Okay, this moved, you know, here you can see that there's some kind of force that is making the storm dissipate instead of get stronger, even though this one has circulation, and the circulation is weakened in the last day. It was really strong 2 days ago, but still you can see there's circulation happening. It's counterclockwise. Like, look at the clouds that are in the very edge of it. See, that's all counterclockwise flow. Okay, so there's a low center right there off of Miami, and you can see that there's some type of weather activity, and then it just goes away. Okay, they're killing that part of that storm. they've already killed the part on the west side. Okay, see this right in here? Oops. Anyway, where that had obvious circulation 2 days ago, yesterday, it's not as prevalent today, but you can still see that it has circulation there. And let's go back here and look at this. Zero circulation. And that's a tropical